As the annual facelift model, the new car is equipped with a lithium iron phosphate battery. The pure electric cruising range under CLTC conditions is 545 km and 515 km respectively. In terms of configuration, the Buick E5 2024 Pioneer Pro version is equipped with lane departure warning, forward collision warning, reverse warning, DAO door opening warning, active braking, merging assistant, lane keeping assist system, lane keeping center, front and rear. Parking radar, front vehicle departure reminder, reversing display, 3 cruise systems, L2 driver assistance level, leather steering wheel, front seat heating, 30-inch central control screen, multi-layer soundproof glass, in-car PM 2.5 filter device, Qualcomm Snapdragon Long8155, 2024 Buick E5 Smart Enjoy Pro version features side blind spot monitoring, 360 degrees panoramic viewing, automatic parking, wireless mobile phone charging, memory, main driver, and an opening panoramic sunroof. In terms of engine, the 2024 Buick E5 is equipped with a 245 horsepower all-electric motor with a maximum torque of 330 Nm. The official acceleration time from 0 to 50 km per hour is 3.5 seconds and the official 0 to 100 km per hour acceleration time is 7.7 seconds. In terms of battery life, lithium iron phosphate batteries are installed, equipped with batteries with a capacity of 68.4 kWh and 65 kWh respectively. CLTC comprehensive cruising range is 545 km and 515 km respectively.